Hello again. This is Ben Hitchcock Cross talking to you today, just with a brief message here. Apparently, one of our videos, the next Novak video that I'm sure you're all waiting for, is being held because we have Secretary Pahacek's old email address up there on the screen. So we'll have to see what we can do about blurring that out. So I think that's pretty amusing because I would like to use this opportunity to distinguish here between what we think is acceptable and not acceptable ways to contact the secretary and indeed the governor of the state of Wisconsin to address these issues here that you see at this hearing. Number one, on the facts of the hearing itself, on the case of the hearing itself, like, for example, saying I think Lucky should win or I think Novak should win or something like that, that's legal. We'll put it like that. And they're going to, if you say anything like that, they're going to shut their ears off and say, well, they're just trying to, use tactics to persuade the judge. And if, on the other hand, you think that the judge is being biased, the judge is exhibiting bias, you can give specific concrete examples of bias. You can give examples of how the government employees are being shown to be incompetent. You can give specific examples of why you think the government employees are shown to be lying. So those are administrative matters, right? The judge is a government employee. The secretary is a government employee. The Chrissy Preston, for example, is a government employee. So anyone, whether you're from the state of Wisconsin or not, although it's going to be a lot more persuasive if you are, has the right to go contact the political superiors to these government employees. In particular, that's the secretaries there, but also the governor of the state of Wisconsin. Absolutely nothing wrong with doing that. That's all politics, okay? So all we're doing here is separating the legal, what are the facts, what are the legal conclusions of the claim. This should be discrimination. What they did to Lucky was wrong. All of those kind of things are going to be the facts and legal, as opposed to the judge is clearly not able to be fair because of X, Y, or Z. Okay? I don't like the way that Chrissy Preston can only remember things for the opposing counsel, but nothing for the witness or for Ms. Novak. I am very concerned when I see that retired employees seem to be able to tell the truth, but currently employed people are not. So those are all, again, political, they're administrative. Those are all things that the governor, as the superior employee or, is the manager of the employees, that's their job to address those issues. So that's the only distinction that I want to make. Sorry, well, taking a little while here with the Novak video, but stick with us. We'll keep you informed.